Ever yawned just because someone else did? Turns out, yawning isn't just about being tired. It's actually a social reflex. Scientists believe it helps cool down the brain and even builds empathy. Even dogs yawn when their owners do. But here's the weirdest part. Yawning might be contagious, only if you have a heart. No joke, psychopaths are less likely to catch a yawn. So next time someone yawns and you don't, might be time to check your empathy levels. But here's the real question. Why do onions make us cry but garlic doesn't? This is Silly Why Show. Why? Because it's fun.